안녕하세요. This is Kay from Essential Korean. Today's episode is the last in our three-part series on Korean future tense. We'll expand upon what we have learned in the previous episodes by combining a few sentences with verbs in the future tense form into one sentence using the co-conjunctive. To help in that process, we'll revisit the block building method as well. Let's finish up our journey with future tense on a high note. To celebrate, let's run with our imagination and do something fun with a hypothetical question. If you won the lottery and received $1 million prize, what would you do with the money and the freedom? Answers to this question call for future tense verbs, and we'll use the informal polite future tense form. Here comes the question. 100만 불 로또에 당첨되면 뭐 할 거예요? If you win $1 million lottery, what will you do? While you are thinking of what you will do, here's one exciting answer some of you might think of. 나는 세계 일주를 할 거예요. Meaning, I'll do an all-around world tour. 세계 means the world or globe. 일주 means circling along a certain route, making the compound word 세계 일주 mean an all-around world tour. And of course, 할 거예요 is the informal polite future tense form of the verb 하다, to do. Pretend you'll travel all over the world if you win the lottery and repeat after me to answer the question. 100만 불 로또에 당첨되면 뭐 할 거예요? I'll lead you with English cues for each phrase in the first round. As for I, 나는 world tour, 세계 일주, will do, 할 거예요. 나는 세계 일주, 할 거예요. 나는 세계 일주 할 거예요. How exciting. Make sure you come visit Korea on the trip. Do any of you dream of writing a book sometime in your lifetime? Having $1 million, perhaps you don't have to worry about keeping your day job. For those with writer's bug, this may be your answer. 지금 일을 그만둘 거예요. I will quit the current job. 그리고 and 책을 쓸 거예요. I'll write a book. 지금, now or current, 일, work followed by the object particle 을 그만둘 거예요. The informal polite future tense form of the verb 그만두다, which means to quit. 그리고 and 책, book, followed by the object particle 을 쓸 거예요. The informal polite future tense form of the verb 쓰다, to write. Pretend that you are an aspiring writer and repeat after me to say, I'll quit my current job and I will write a book. Again, I'll lead you with the English before the Korean in the first round. Current job, 지금 일, followed by the object particle 을. And we have 지금 일을, pronounced 지금 일을, 지금 일을, will quit, 그만둘 거예요. And, 그리고, book, 책, followed by the object particle 을, 책을, pronounced 책을, will write, 쓸 거예요. 지금 일을 그만둘 거예요. 그리고 책을 쓸 거예요. 지금 일을 그만둘 거예요. 그리고 책을 쓸 거예요. Now, let's say the two sentences at once. 지금 일을 그만둘 거예요. 그리고 책을 쓸 거예요. Big dreams come true. Now, we cannot go without indulging ourselves in the thought of enjoying some time in Korea when we talk about the what ifs of becoming a lottery winner, right? So here's a sample answer for you. 우선 한국에서 1년 살 거예요. Firstly, I will live in Korea for 1 year. 그리고 and 한국말을 열심히 배울 거예요. I will learn Korean studiously. 그리고 and 한국 친구들을 많이 사귈 거예요. I'll make many Korean friends. 그리고 and 다음 여행지를 생각할 거예요. I will think about the next travel destination. Let's break down those 4 sentences into phrases. 우선, firstly, 한국, Korea, followed by the place particle 에서, which means at or in. 한국에서 1년, 1 year, 살 거예요. will live. 그리고 and 한국말, the Korean language, followed by the object particle 을 combined and pronounced 한국말을 열심히, studiously, 배울 거예요. will learn. 그리고 and 한국 친구들, Korean friends, followed by the object particle 을 combined together 한국 친구들을 pronounced 한국 친구들을 많이, a lot or many 사귈 거예요. The informal polite future tense form of the verb 사귀다, which means to make in the context of making friends. 그리고 and 다음, next, 여행지, travel destination, followed by the object particle 를. So we have 다음 여행지를 생각할 거예요. The informal polite future tense form of the verb 생각하다, to think. For a moment, pretend this to be your plan if you were to win a lottery. Then, mentally connect the 4 dots in the most likely chronological order. Living in Korea, studying the language there, and making Korean friends, and thinking about the next travel destination. Let's just do the verbs in the future tense. Live, learn, make friends, and think. Repeat after me as you think of the meaning of the verb. 살 거예요. 그리고 배울 거예요. 그리고 친구들 사귈 거예요. 그리고 생각할 거예요. Now, into each verb block, we'll add additional information. I'll lead you with English cues in the first round before the Korean. Repeat after me. Firstly, 우선 in Korea, 한국에서 1 year, 1년 will live, 살 거예요. and 그리고 Korean, 한국말을 studiously, 열심히 will learn, 배울 거예요. and 그리고 Korean friends, 한국 친구들을 many, 많이 will make, 사귈 거예요. and 그리고 the next, 다음 travel destination, 여행지를 will think. 생각할 거예요. Very good. Now, let's do one sentence at a time. I'll say the English before the Korean again. Repeat after me. Firstly, I will live in Korea for 1 year. 우선 한국에서 1년 살 거예요. And I will learn Korean studiously. 그리고 한국말을 열심히 배울 거예요. And I will make many Korean friends. 그리고 한국 친구들을 많이 사귈 거예요. And I will think about the next travel destination. 그리고 다음 여행지를 생각할 거예요. Great job. This time, why not try to say the 4 sentences yourself? I'll say the English cues before each of the Korean sentences slowly one more time. Listen to them while imagining first, 1 year living in Korea. Second, learning Korean in Korea. Third, make many Korean friends. And finally, thinking about the next travel destination. Using the future tense form of the verbs, we get will live, 살 거예요, from 살다, to live. Will learn, 배울 거예요, from 배우다, to learn. Will make friends, 친구를 사귈 거예요, from 친구를 사귀다, to make friends. And will think, 생각할 거예요, from 생각하다, to think. Now, please listen first and repeat after each sentence before you say these sentences yourself. Firstly, I will live in Korea for 1 year. 우선 한국에서 1년 살 거예요. And I will learn Korean studiously. 그리고 한국말을 열심히 배울 거예요. And I will make many Korean friends. 그리고 한국 친구들을 많이 사귈 거예요. And I will think about the next travel destination. 그리고 다음 여행지를 생각할 거예요. Now, it's your turn. Just remember 4 things: living in Korea, learning Korean, make many Korean friends, and thinking about the next travel destination. I'll be here, so go ahead and try it. Excellent. Air high fives to you. We'll now move on to utilizing the co-conjunctive to combine the 4 sentences into one. Do you recall how we combined past tense sentences into one using the co-conjunctive? Yes, when we combined a few sentences which all ended with a past tense verb, we changed the verbs in the past tense form into the verb stems plus co, which is the present tense form of the co-conjunctive. We mark the past tense only in the last verb in the combined sentence. It will be very similar to that when we combine future tense sentences into one, in that the verbs in future tense followed by 그리고 are going to be changed to the present tense co-conjunctive, and the future tense is going to be marked in the last verb of the combined sentence. In other words, 살 거예요, 그리고 will live, period, and can be changed to the present tense co-conjunctive of the verb 살다, to live, which is 살고, formed by adding 고 to the verb stem 살. 배울 거예요. 그리고 will learn. period. And can be changed to the present tense co-conjunctive of the verb 배우다 to learn, which is 배우고, formed by adding 고 to the stem 배우. 친구들 사귈 거예요. 그리고 will make friends. period. And can be changed to the present tense co-conjunctive of the verb phrase 친구들 사귀다 to make friends, which is 친구들 사귀고, formed by adding 고 to the verb stem 사귀. Even though the verbs in the co-conjunctives, namely 살고, 배우고, and 친구들 사귀고 have assumed the present tense form, and only the last verb has future tense marked with 을 거예요, giving us 생각할 거예요. The future tense remained intact in their meaning in all verbs in the combined sentence. Now, what we'll do is combining two sentences into one at a time. When the first sentence, firstly, I'll live in Korea for 1 year, 우선 한국에서 1년 살 거예요, is combined with the second sentence, and I will learn Korean studiously. 그리고 한국말을 열심히 배울 거예요. We have 우선 한국에서 1년 살고 한국말을 열심히 배울 거예요. While noting the co-conjunctive in 살고, which means live and, please repeat after me to say, firstly, I'll live in Korea for 1 year and will learn Korean studiously. 우선 한국에서 1년 살고 한국말을 열심히 배울 거예요. 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 Now, let's combine this combined sentence. 우선 한국에서 1년 살고 한국말을 열심히 배울 거예요. with 그리고 한국 친구들을 많이 사귈 거예요. Notice the verbs in the co-conjunctive 살고, which means live and 배우고, which means learn and. 우선 한국에서 1년 살고 한국말을 열심히 배우고 한국 친구들을 많이 사귈 거예요. Repeat after me to say, firstly, I'll live in Korea for 1 year and will learn Korean studiously, and I'll make many Korean friends while noting 살고 and 배우고. Please repeat after me. Here comes the phrases. 우선 한국에서 1년 살고 한국말을 열심히 배우고 한국 친구들을 많이 사귈 거예요. 우선 한국에서 1년 살고 한국말을 열심히 배우고 한국 친구들을 많이 사귈 거예요. 우선 한국에서 1년 살고 한국말을 열심히 배우고 한국 친구들을 많이 사귈 거예요. How are you doing? Are you doing okay? Alright, now we'll combine the sentence you just said with the last sentence. 그리고 다음 여행지를 생각할 거예요. Again, note the verbs in the co-conjunctive. 살고, which means live and. 배우고, which means learn and. 친구들 사귀고, which means make friends and. Repeat after me. 우선 한국에서 1년 살고 한국말을 열심히 배우고 한국 친구들을 많이 사귀고 다음 여행지를 생각할 거예요. 우선 한국에서 1년 살고 한국말을 열심히 배우고 한국 친구들을 많이 사귀고 다음 여행지를 생각할 거예요. Here comes the one combined sentence. 우선 한국에서 1년 살고 한국말을 열심히 배우고 한국 친구들을 많이 사귀고 다음 여행지를 생각할 거예요. Now, if you said to me, K쌤은 100만 불 로또에 당첨되면 뭐 할 거예요? Asking what I will do if I win $1 million lottery, I can give you my answer right away. 나는 멋진 한옥을 지을 거예요. 그리고 한옥에서 Essential Korean Special Retreat 프로그램을 만들 거예요. 그리고 여러분을 초대할 거예요. I will build a charming hanok, which is a traditional Korean house, and I will create an Essential Korean special retreat program at the hanok, and I will invite all of you. I'll break down the sentences into phrases. Listen to them as you pay special attention to the verbs in the polite future tense form. 을 거예요. As for I, 나는 a charming 한옥 followed by the object particle 을 멋진 한옥을 will build 지을 거예요. And 그리고 at the 한옥 한옥에서 Essential Korean Special Retreat Program followed by the object particle 을 Essential Korean Special Retreat Program을 will make 만들 거예요. And 그리고 all of you followed by the object particle 을 여러분을 will invite 초대할 거예요. Now, may I invite you to imagine my $1 million dream one more time? You can do it by repeating after me. I'll lead you with the English cues in the first round. I will build a charming hanok, a Korean traditional house. 나는 멋진 한옥을 지을 거예요. And at the 한옥, I will make an Essential Korean special retreat program. 그리고 한옥에서 Essential Korean special retreat 프로그램을 만들 거예요. And I will invite all of you. 그리고 여러분을 초대할 거예요. Very nice. Now I'll combine these three sentences into one using the co-conjunctive. Listen to the two verbs in the present tense form of the co-conjunctive. 짓고, build and 만들고, make and while keeping two things in mind. One, it's formed by the verb's stem followed by 고. And two, the form may be in the present tense form, but meaning of future tense is retained. Here comes the combined sentence. 멋진 한옥을 짓고 Essential Korean 스페셜 리트리트 프로그램을 만들고 여러분을 초대할 거예요. Please repeat after me to say I will build a charming 한옥 and will make an Essential Korean special retreat program at the 한옥 and will invite all of you. 나는 멋진 한옥을 짓고 Essential Korean Special Retreat 프로그램을 만들고 여러분을 초대할 거예요. 나는 멋진 한옥을 짓고 Essential Korean Special Retreat 프로그램을 만들고 여러분을 초대할 거예요. 나는 멋진 한옥을 짓고 Essential Korean Special Retreat 프로그램을 만들고 여러분을 초대할 거예요. Wow, just the thought of it puts me in a happy mood. And on that happy note, I'll end today's episode. I'll connect with you again in the next episode. Until then, have big dreams and stay healthy.